In this video, we will show you how to use LinkedIn Premium to get a job. If you guys want to get started with LinkedIn, you can use the links down in the description. Go to the LinkedIn website in a web browser and log in here. Click on your profile shown at the top. Now you will see the Premium Features option here. Click on the Jobs option shown at the top. Then you will see Jobs where you are a top applicant and it will be for LinkedIn Premium. You will be provided with different jobs. After that, you can see another box for LinkedIn Premium, where you can see the job you can mark as the top choice. Now you can see different jobs here, like Senior Project Manager, Technical Project Manager, and Associate Project Manager. Then you can also click on See All to see all the job offers. Click on any job you want and you can apply for it easily. You can ask them if you are good for this job. It will show you the job analysis based on information. It's showing me that this job requires significant experience in budget analysis. You can also check them for the best position for yourself in this job. It will provide you with different positions for the manager. So that is how to use LinkedIn Premium to get a job. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.